From Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can play 4 players in your games on your Nintendo Switch. And first you need to go ahead and connect additional controllers, so you have to do this from the home screen. So let's go on down to where it says controllers right here. Select this. And I have 2 controllers currently connected, so we can connect up to 4. I think we can go all the way up to 8 actually for playing Super Smash Brothers. But we want to go to this section right here, change grip order, and select this. And then we have to pair the controllers. So hold down the sync button on the controller, and then the light is flashing. Then press the SR and SL button once it's connected. So one controller is connected. Do the same thing on the other. And if you got the PlayStation style controller, do the same thing. Should be next to the charging area, the sync button. And then press the 2 tap buttons, the top buttons above the triggers. So you can see I have 2 controllers connected. Just do this for additional controllers 3 and 4. And then you can go back to your game. So like Super Smash Brothers. So I have this game already started up, but you can add more people on the bottom. So you just have to go over like where it says P1. It might say like CPU. Just select that, and you should be able to switch that over to player 2, 3, and 4. So it's probably going to say like CPU or F2 or some weird thing. Just go to where it says this on the bottom and you can switch it over to additional players. I believe you can have up to 8 players in Super Smash Brothers if you have a bunch of Joy-Con controllers connected. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.